So in this video, I'm just going to walk you through a new version of my incrementality lift test template. So in the previous template, in the previous version of the template, I had shown how to run the test using one variable. So in that case, we were only testing for changes made to the Facebook spend and how it was affecting the gross sales. But in this case, we are going to obviously still change one variable, but we are going to test the impact of that change together with the spends through other channels and actually see the net outcome on the gross sales. So this is going to be there for a multilinear regression, and we are going to see how the changed numbers for that particular channel, as in this case was Facebook spend, which we could have obviously changed to Google Ads spend as well. And by the way, if you haven't watched my previous video of this template, where I've spoken about this template, or if you haven't grabbed this template, do let me know, or do go and watch out that previous video, by the way. But yeah, in this template, basically I've incorporated the multilinear regression or the MLR part, as you can see here. So for both of the variables, you will have the slopes. You will obviously have one intercept. In the previous cases, you can see you had just one slope, and you also have the F statistic, which is again an overall statistic. We have the p-values for both of the variables. In this case, there are a couple of variables. It could have been multiple variables as well, because this is a multilinear regression. We can have more than two variables as well. And then we have the incremental ROI, and then we have the R squared value, which is the overall R squared value for this particular model, and it's going to show whether or not this is very statistically significant, or how, which of course is given by p-value, but R squared is going to give us whether how well this particular model, this multilinear regression model, is able to explain the variation in the output variable, which is the gross sales in this case. So other than that, most of the calculations remain the same. But of course, in the back end, a lot more is going on. These were the previous set of calculations for t statistic and p-value, and obviously the linest outcomes for slope, intercept, R squared, statistic, and the error terms. Similarly, we're just going to have a similar set of outcome variable, intermediate variables, but we're going to have them in the format of multilinear regression, therefore for two variables as well. So this is what is really going on in this template, and if you just want this template, just comment below, and I can share the link with you. But yeah, this is going to be very useful if you want to test the statistical significance and the incremental lift together for a scenario where you have multiple channels, and you want to test the changes through one channel, changes that you have made in terms of spend levels in one channel, but you also want to test the net effect on gross sales, for instance, when you are combining when you are looking at the combined effect of the different channels. So yeah, this was a short video, just a quick update on a previously shared template already. It's a multi-channel version of the incrementality test template, and hopefully this will be useful to people, and I'm pretty sure it will be. And yeah, do like, share, and subscribe if you like it, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.